Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive west on Louisiana Highway 44. Now that the tires are properly aired up, we begin at the parking lot of St. Joseph Catholic Church in the community of Paulina, Louisiana. We'll continue along the River Road, which is part of the old Jefferson Highway Auto Trail. Here we see an intersection with LA 642, which goes about 4 miles north to the community of Grand Point. We enter the unincorporated community of Hester, and I wasn't able to find out much about the community. In exploring Google Maps, I found that there's a new post office and an old post office, the latter being not much more than a wooden shack that has been abandoned but still has the name of the town and the zip code on the side of the building. I couldn't read the zip code in the street view image because it wasn't taken from an immediately adjacent street, and there was no street view in front of the new post office. The community had a population of 483 as of the 2020 census. The community was named for Hester Plantation, which once occupied part of the area. The plantation house burned in the early 1900s, and there doesn't appear to be anything left of it except for the farmland. we enter the census-designated place and unincorporated community of Convent, which has been the parish seat of St. James Parish since 1869. The 2020 census lists a population of 483, which is the exact same number as the previous community of Hester. So I'm not sure if there's an overlap in the areas, but they're listed as separate census-designated places, and all of the other stats, such as housing units, employment rate, etc., are different. So maybe it's just a coincidence that they both have the same population. The community was originally settled in the 1720s and was called Barron. From 1825 to 1932, it was the location of St. Michael's Convent, Order of the Sacred Heart. Convent was also the location of Jefferson College from 1831 to 1931. The Catholic College was operated by the Marist Fathers, and in 1931 it was purchased by the Jesuits for use as a retreat house, still in use today. Today the town of Convent is home to a Royal Dutch Shell hydrogen cracking refinery that can produce 210,000 barrels per day of consumer petroleum products. On the right is the Roman and Gothic style St. Michael the Archangel Catholic Church, one of the oldest Catholic parishes in Louisiana, established in 1807, 5 years before Louisiana became a state. The church building seen here was built in 1833. We leave Convent at an intersection with Louisiana Highway 3214 and we'll end today's video here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.